Are you a driven entrepreneur looking to shift your storefront into the exciting world of digital marketing? Do you aspire to capture a broader customer base and make use of the unlimited potential of online marketing? Or maybe you're a passionate learner aiming to master the art and science of running an online business. Welcome to Digital Marketing Strategy Training. In this detailed training, you'll learn to reach more consumers, improve your sales, and use the full power of the thriving in any sector. This training offers you a roadmap to creating winning strategies, mastering various digital channels, and understanding the importance of segmentation and targeting in the digital landscape. The best part? Our hands-on course project bridges theory and practice, empowering you to launch and succeed in any industry. Our learning environment is tailored to provide personalized support to each and every student. Our dedicated team of educators and tutors is just a click away, ensuring you get the guidance you need to excel in your studies. Are you prepared to level up your skills? Book a free consulting meeting with our knowledgeable experts and explore the best path for your growth.